OMID has helped me since the very beginning. Before I came to Georgia Tech, I met past director of OMID, Valentina, and she got me in the program when I got accepted to Georgia Tech. She got me with an awesome mentor, and from there, I met my best friends in OMID. I met a lot of people that really helped me out. I found tutoring. I found a home. Really, because I transferred, so I didn't know a lot of people, and OMID helped me a lot to find the community I needed here at Georgia Tech. From there, I just started meeting people and growing my network, and it was just the starting point for me here at Georgia Tech. I was mentee at the beginning, my first year, for Brooks Mead, and then she did an amazing job. I really admire her, and I wanted to be like her. Help out other students that are just coming here to Georgia Tech from the same backgrounds like me. And this is my second year as a mentor for transfer students. Try to really enjoy your time at Georgia Tech. I did really good on the classes. I tried to understand and enjoy, even if it took me forever to do the homeworks compared to other people that were smarter than me, or the classes were just easier for them. I just took my time, tried to understand the concepts and see how they relate to my major, and just enjoy in general. Because you came here to Georgia Tech to have a good time. You came here for the experience. You came here to discover new things, and really don't take that for granted. It's really awesome to just go out there and take advantage of your classes and enjoy everything you know here. As the expectations I had for it, I thought it was a great school, but I just focused on the academics. It is not just a school to come and get a degree from. A lot of culture and community outside of just academics, a lot of clubs and organizations, and I found many opportunities here and met so many people that I never thought I would meet. As of right now, I will start in the summer an internship with NASA, the Jet Propulsion Lab in Pasadena, California. Next fall and next summer, I'll be working with NASA, the Johnson Space Center, and I am hoping to get a full-time position and do my master's while I work, and then hopefully come back to get my PhD at some point.